Hello learners, welcome to our channel Leap Ahead. In this video, we will discuss the solutions of easy test on appropriate filler concept. If you haven't already taken the test, then feel free to pause the video and attempt the questions as test and then continue watching for the solutions. The question says, fill in the blank with the most appropriate word. In this question, the sentence reads, in the 20th century, physicists have made their greatest discoveries about the characteristics of dash objects like the atom and its parts. Let us now have a look at the options. Option A is infinite. Now the word infinite refers to something which is limitless or boundless. So we can eliminate option A. Coming to option C, which is kaleidoscopic. Now this word refers to something which is multicolored. So we can eliminate option C as well. Coming to option D, which is intangible. Now word intangible can be divided into two parts. In, which means not, and tangible means something that can be seen or felt or touched. So the word intangible refers to something which is unreal or indefinite. So we can eliminate option D. Coming to option B, which is microscopic. Now we know like objects like the atom and its part. So atom क्या होता है, एक बहुत ही छोटा सा एक kind of a microscopic element ही है. So we can say that the correct answer is option B, because microscopic refers to something which is very tiny. So the correct answer is option B. In this question, the sentence reads, a group of high school girls dashed the highest peak of the Satpura range. Let us now come to the options. Coming to option B, which is walked. The word walked refers to step, so we can eliminate option B. Coming to option C, which is lost. Lost means something which is absent or vanished. So we can eliminate option C as well. Coming to option D, which is avoided. The word avoided refers to something which is shunned, hated, or abominated. So we can eliminate option D as well. Coming to option A, which is scaled. Now scaled refers to escalate, go up, or climb. Now you could have said that we can mark option B also as the answer because it means walked, right? So this also suits well in the sentence. But we see that we're talking about the highest peak of the Satpura range, right? So it means climbing up or going up, right? So the correct answer, the most appropriate answer is option A. In this question, the sentence reads, some regions of a country still remain dash to the average man. Let us now explore the options. Coming to option B, which is conceivable. The word conceivable refers to something which is credible or believable. So we can eliminate option B. Coming to option C, which is impenetrable. The word impenetrable refers to something which is dense or close. So we can eliminate option C as well. Coming to option D, which is invincible. The word invincible refers to invulnerable or indomitable. So we can eliminate option D as well. Coming to option A, which is inaccessible. Inaccessible means something which is not in your access, right? So something which is distant or remote. So the meaning of the word inaccessible is distance. So the correct answer is option A. In this question, the sentence reads, he offered us dash food items for the lunch and we were happy. Let us now explore the options. Coming to option B, which is pungent. The word pungent refers to something which is bitter or salty. So we can eliminate option B. Coming to option C, which is lucrative. Now, lucrative refers to something which is profitable or fruitful. So we can eliminate option C as well. Coming to option D, which is big. Now, big refers to something which is enormous or gigantic. So we can eliminate option D as well. Coming to option A, which is delicious. Now, since we're talking about food items and we know that the meaning of the word delicious is something which is delectable. So the correct answer is option A. In this question, the sentence reads, a special program to raise the standard of living of village folks has been dash. So let us now explore the options. The first option is programmed. The word programmed refers to prepared. So we can eliminate option A. Coming to option B, which is stalled. Now stalled refers to something which has been delayed. So we can easily eliminate option B. Coming to option C, which is worked. The word worked refers to something which is processed or created. So we can eliminate option C as well. Coming to option D, which is launched. Now the word launched refers to something which has been started or begun. So we can say that the correct answer is option D. Here comes the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Join me for another test in the next video. In the meantime, keep practicing and do not forget to attempt the next test.